Question 1. Diagram is a line graph which shows the scores of a group of students in a game. State the model score. Okay, model score here means with the highest frequency. So you have to find which score has the highest frequency. 哪一个他们的那个得分是最多次数的 frequency 最高的。Okay, for this score, okay, those who score 1, only 1 student. Score 2, you have 6 students. And 5 students score 3. 3 students score 4. And 5 students score 5. So the highest frequency is 6. And this 6 students scores 2 marks. Therefore, this 2 is the model score. Because 2 has the highest frequency. 它的 frequency 是最多最高的。So the answer for number 1 is boy. Number 2, table shows the scores of a group of students in a mathematics quiz. Given that the mean score is 10.5, find the value of x. Okay, the formula of mean is, okay, this is a symbol for mean, equals to summation of fx divided by summation of f. F here stands for frequency. Okay, this is frequency. X here means midpoint. X is the midpoint, F is the frequency, and this symbol here means total. Okay, so that means total of frequency multiplied with midpoint divided by total of frequency. Okay, so we have scores here 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25. We have to calculate X. X is the midpoint. To calculate midpoint, okay, the formula to calculate midpoint will be lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Okay, so let's say for this group, this is the lower limit, this is the upper limit for this group. Okay, so you have to 1 plus 5, 6, and then divided by 2. Therefore, x is 3. And then for this group, 6 plus 10, 16, divided by 2, 8. 11 plus 15, 26, divided by 2, 13. And this one you will have 18, and this is 23. Okay, frequency here, the symbol is f. We have to calculate fx. F multiplied with x. Okay, so we create another row here, which is fx. So f multiplied with x, 4 times 3, 12. X times 8, 8x. 3 times 13, 39. 2 times 18, 36. 1 times 23, 23. So summation of fx, that means we add up all the fx here. 把这些 fx 全部加起来。So we will have 12 plus 8x plus 39 plus 36 plus 23 over summation of frequency. So total of frequency. You have to add up all the frequency here. 4 plus x plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So this is equals to 10 plus x. And this is equals to mean. Therefore, equals to mean is 10.5. Okay, you solve this. So 12 plus 39 plus 36 plus 23 equals to 110 plus 8x equals to, okay, this 10 plus x, we bring it to right hand side. So 10.5 multiply with 10 plus x. So 110 plus 8x equals to 105 plus 10.5x. Okay, you rearrange. Let's say I bring 8x to right hand side, 105 to left hand side, and I will have 110 minus 105, 5 equals to 10.5x minus 8x. This is equals to 2.5x. So x equals to 5 divided by 2.5 equals to 2. So x equals to 2, A. Okay, you have to memorize this equation. Mean equals to summation of fx divided by summation of f. And this x is the midpoint for group data. Okay, how to calculate midpoint? We have to use this formula. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Number 3, table shows the frequency distribution of 38 students from Form 4 science. Calculate the midpoint of the model class. Okay, so you have to know what's the meaning of model class. That's mean class with highest frequency. Okay, so frequency are given 4, 9, 13, 12. So which one has the highest frequency? 13. Okay, so the model class will be, you have to refer to this one, 40 to 44. So our model class will be 40 to 44. Calculate the midpoint. Calculate midpoint, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 40 plus 44 divided by 2. So 84 divided by 2. The answer will be 42. C. Question 4. Based on the frequency polygon, state the means of the class. Okay, so the formula of mean is, this is a symbol for mean, x, and you have a bar, E, fx divided by f. Summation of fx divided by summation of f. And this x here stands for midpoint. Okay, so for question 4, we are given frequency polygon. Frequency polygon is frequency against midpoint. So this 14.5, 24.5, 34.5 here, this is the midpoint. 这个就是它的 midpoint 了。Okay, so how to find the mean? Summation of fx. So frequency multiplied with midpoint. So for this one, 14.5 times 0, you have 0, plus 24.5 times 12. Plus 34.5 times 6. Plus 44.5 times 10. Plus 54.5 times 4. Plus 64.5 times 2. And 74.5 times 0. Over total frequency. So 0 plus 12 plus, this is 6, plus 10 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. You calculate this, and then you'll get answer for 38.03. Number 5. Table shows the donation by 40 students for flood victims. Find the number of students who donated less than the model class. Okay, model class is the class with highest frequency. Okay, we are given donation and cumulative frequency. Cumulative here means accumulate. Accumulate atau terkumpul. 华语的话叫做累积。Okay, so this is not the actual frequency for each class. This is accumulate. So we have to calculate the frequency of each class. So the first one, 1 to 5, cumulative frequency is 8. Okay, first one, you just need to copy down 8. And then, second one, 15. So the frequency will be 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. 7. Okay, because this is cumulative frequency. So first one, you have 8. And then second, you have to 8 plus 7. 把它加起来，累积起来，terkumpul dia 8 tambah 7，这是累积的啊，它这样子慢慢累积8加第一个没有嘛，第一个的话就是一样的，就是8，然后第二个的话，它会8加7等于15，所以如果你要拿回去这个原本的号码的话，你就拿来减15减8。For the third class, 29 minus 15. So this is equals to 40. 34 minus 29. 5. 40 minus 34 equals to 6. So which one has the highest frequency? This one, 14. And the class is 11 to 15. So this is the model class. And the question asking for number of students who donated less than the model class. So less than the model class will be these two. Okay, these two less than the model class. The total frequency is 8 plus 7 equals to 15A. 他讲要找少过 model class 的，这个是 model class， 所以少过它的就是这两个，所以这两个的 frequency 分别是8跟7，你就把它加起来，答案是15。Number 6. Diagram is a histogram showing the distribution of marks of 60 students in mathematics test. Find the mean mark of a student. Okay, mean equals to summation of fx divided by summation of f. X is the midpoint, f is the frequency. We have to find the midpoint from the histogram. Okay, so this is the first class, second class, third class, and so on. And this will be the lower boundary of the first class. And this will be the upper boundary for the first class. So the class range for the first one, this will be 30 to 39. Okay, how do I know that this is 30 to 39? So this is lower boundary. To get this first number, we just add 0.5. 29.5 plus 0.5, you will have 30. And this is the upper boundary. To get this second number, you just minus 0.5. So you will have 39. Okay, 如果你要加拿这个 class 啊，你看这个，这是它的 lower boundary， 这个是它的 upper boundary。所以 lower boundary 你加 0.5 就有30，这个减 0.5 就有39。可是不是每一题目它都是 lower boundary 加 0.5 减 0.5 这样子的。可是通常他们题目出的都是 0.5 0.5， 也有时候是 0.05 这样子。可是比较多时候是 0.5 啊，所以你可以记得这个方法。Okay, not every question you are using plus minus 0.5. Sometimes the question will use 0.05, but most likely the questions will come out is 0.5. So you just need to remember this method. Okay, for this one, second class, the class range is for the second class, this becomes the lower boundary and this becomes the upper boundary for the second one. So this will be lower boundary plus 0.5, so 40 to 49. For the third class, this will be the lower boundary, this will be the upper boundary. So 49.5 plus 0.5, 50 to this one upper boundary, we minus 0.5 to 59. Okay, can do for the rest. Okay, so now we can see a pattern here. 30, 40, 50, so this must be 60, 70, 80, 90. 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, this is 99. Okay, now we have to calculate midpoint for each class. So the midpoint for each class will be upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So first one, 30 plus 39, 69. Divided by 2, you will have 34.5. This is the midpoint for the first class. For the second one, 40 plus 49 divided by 2. So this is 44.5. Okay, so now we know the pattern. Just add 10 to the previous one. So this is 54.5, 64.5, 74.5, 84.5, 94.5. Okay, so to find mean, total of frequency multiply with midpoint. So first class, the frequency is 6. So 34.5 times 6 plus 44.5 times 7 plus 54.5 times 10 plus 64.5 times 15 plus 74.5 times 13 plus 84.5 times 5 plus 94.5 times 4 divided by total frequency. Okay, you can add up all the frequency here, or you can use this number because from the question we are given total we have 60 students, so you just need to divide it by 60. Okay, you use your calculator to calculate and you will have 63.33. Okay, so the answer is boy. Number 7. Table below shows the number of 10 when the dice is thrown. Calculate the median score. Medians means center. 在中间的，最中间的那个 score. So number of dice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Frequency 9. Okay, to calculate median, we have to find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Okay, so for this one, frequency 9. First one you just copy down. Second, 9 plus 8. Then we will have 17. 17 plus 6. 23. 23 plus 8. 31. 31 plus 5. 36. 36 plus 4. 40. Okay, to find the median is the center. So altogether we have 40 number of dice here. So 40 is an even number. So 40 we have to plus 1. Then we divide it by 2. TH. Okay, so this one will have 41 divided by 2 TH. And this is equals to 20.5 TH. Okay, what's the meaning of this? Okay, so now let's say I have 6 number. Let's say I have 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. And I want you to find the median for this group of data. Okay, so I have 6 number here. 6 is an even number. So I have to plus 1 and then divided by 2. TH. So this is equals to 7 divided by 2. TH equals to 3.5 TH. That means my median will be the 3.5 number. The number that's at 3.5 position, 3.5 position. So this is the first number, second number, third number, fourth number. So 3.5 will be in between 3 and 5, in between this one. So to find the median, I have to plus these two numbers, 3 plus 5, then divided by 2. Because 3.5 is the middle, so I have to divide it by 2. So this is 8 divided by 2, so 4. So the median for this group of data is 4. Okay, so the median is at the 20.5 position. So from the cumulative frequency, this is 9. That means number 1 here, this is from number 1 to number 9. And number 2 here, it is at 10 to 17. And this one, this is from 18 to 23. And this is from 24 to 31. This is from 32 to 36. And this is 37 to 40. Do you know what's the meaning of this? Okay, first my number is 1. So 1, 1, 1. And then followed by 2. 2 I have 8. 3 I have 6. 4 I have 8. And so on. Okay, so 1 here, this is from number 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 从第1到第9都是1。然后从第10个号码开始到第17个号码会是2。从18个号码到第23个号码会是3。So from number 10 to number 17, this will be 2. From 18 to 23, this will be 3, and so on. So 20.5. Where is 20.5 located? 20.5 is located in this group, 18 to 23. 它是在这个20.5是在18到23的之间，对吗？ So the answer will be 3. 3 is the median score. 就是3是这一个整组号码的中间。Okay, table is a frequency table, shows the mass of fish caught by 20 fishermen. Calculate the mean mass in kg of fish caught by a fisherman. Okay, to calculate the mean, we use the formula again. Summation of fx divided by summation of f. Okay, frequency multiplied with x. To calculate midpoint, 11 plus 13 divided by 2, 12. 14 plus 16 divided by 2, 15. 17 plus 19 divided by 2, 18. 20 plus 22 divided by 2, 21. And this is 24. This is the midpoint. And this is frequency. Okay, you can count. We can create another column here, which is fx. So frequency multiplied with midpoint. 7 times 12. 84. 15 times 4. 60. And this is 36. This is 42. 120. Okay, so total of fx, we just add up all the number here. 84 plus 60 plus 36 plus 42 plus 120 divided by total frequency, 20 fishermen. So we divided by 20. Okay, use calculator. And so will be 17.1 boy. Number 9. Diagram shows a set of 11 numbers where m is an integer. Given that m is the median and the mode, find the value of m. First, we have to rearrange this set of number in ascending order. 我们先把它从小排到大先。So start from the smallest, 6, 6. Okay, this m we do not know. We just leave it outside first. 6, 6. Then 9. Then we have 10, 12, 12, 14, 32, 41. Okay, for this kind of question, we can use trial and error. Okay, we just try every numbers here. 这样子的题目我们可以一个号码去试。Okay, so let's say m equals to 9. So if m equals to 9, so m will located at here. 如果 m 等于9的话，它就会在这边。所以9是 mod 对吗？9它出现最多次。OK， 这个对。But 9是 median，9是 median 吗？如果在这边的话，这个紫色的这个它是 median 吗？它是在中心的这个位置吗？它是站在 C 位吗？ Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 11. Okay, so the median for this set of number will be 11 plus 1 divided by 2 th. So this is equals to 6 th. The median is at the 6th position. 第6个号码 number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. So the median will be 10. Okay, so A is out. A is wrong. Because M is the median also. 你看啊，9虽然 OK， 如果 M 等于9的话，它是 mod 对，可是它不是 median。这样子排的话，我们的 median 是这个10 ，C 位是这个10，所以9就错了。Now we try B, number 10. Now we try B. If M equals to 10, okay, so 10 will be here. Or you can put it here also, okay. So 10 is the mod. Is 10 is mod for this set of number? Is 10 has the highest frequency? No, because 6, 9, 10, 12, these 4 number, they all have 2. So 10 is not mod for this set of number. So 10 is wrong also. 因为你看啊，如果你放 m 等于10，那么这个10它不是一个 mod， 它不是出现最多次的，出现最多次的有6、9、10跟12，这个不是 mod 来的。OK， 所以10也不对。And now we try 12. If m equals to 12, okay, so let's say 12, we put it here. So 12 is the mod. Yes, because 12 we have 3 times of 12. It's the highest frequency among of them. And let's check whether 12 is a median. So median is at the 6th position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 12 is the median. So 12 is a mod, is a median. So 12 is a correct answer. The answer is C. So for this kind of question, you just trial and error. You try every numbers, you put in, and you check whether this number is mod, median. Number 10. Table shows the score of a group of students in a STEM quiz. Calculate mean for the scores obtained by the student. Okay, so this we have score, frequency times score. Okay, so this is x. This is fx. Now we let off f. We have to calculate the value of f. So to find f, we just 5 divided by 1. Okay, because fx divided by x, you will have f. 这个 fx 除 x 你就会找到 f 了。然后 for this one, 8 divided by 2, 4. 18 divided by 3, 6. 28 divided by 4, 7. 40 divided by 5, 8. Okay, so this is the frequency. To find the mean equals to summation of fx divided by summation of f. For summation of fx, we can just use this row. So 5 plus 8 plus 18 plus 28 plus 40 divided by summation of frequency. Frequency is this one. 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. So this is equals to 3.3 volt.